Hello everyone! Want to share your files, images, videos, or text effortlessly? The File Buddy bot lets you generate shareable links with ease. But that's not all. Want your own customized bot? This bot helps you clone a bot for free in just a few clicks. Start sharing and cloning today. How to use File Buddy bot? Go to Telegram, search File Buddy bot, store files, create links, and tap Start to begin. Create your own bot. 1. Tap on Create Your Own Bot. 2. Select Add Bot. To add a bot, you need an API key. Let's get it from @botfather. Steps to get API key. Type /new bot. Set a bot name and username. Copy the API key and paste it back into FileBuddyBot 4. Start your newly created bot. 5. Add a storage channel, public or private, to store data. How to create a shareable link. 1. Tap on Create Link. Choose the type of file. 3. Send the file post media to the bot. Done! Your shareable link is ready. Force users to join your channel before accessing links. Want to increase subscribers? Force users to join before accessing links. Tap on Force Channel Join. 2. Click on Add Channel. Done! Now users must join before accessing your content. Change storage channel. Want to store files in a different channel? Simply tap Change Storage Channel and select a new one. Send messages to your users. You can broadcast messages to all your users using the broadcast message option. Set a custom greeting message. 1. Tap on Show Greet Message. 2. Click on Change Post. 3. Send the new welcome message. 4. Tap Yes to confirm. Your greeting message is now updated. Turn off your bot. Want to temporarily stop your bot? Simply tap Turn Off Bot anytime. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.